Ngunit isa itong nakakaalarmang issue na dapat pagtuunan ng pansin.
Katotohanan na maraming pakinabang ang naidudulot ng social media sa atin. Kabilang na rito ang mabilis na komunikasyon at madaling paghahanap ng impormasyon.
Ngunit tila ba tayo ay naging alipin na ng social media? Tagasunod sa algoritmo, binago tayo ng tinuturing nating kagamitan ang ating pananaw at opinyon.
Tayong gumagamit, ngayon ay ginagamit.
Buksan ang mga mata, gumising sa katotohanan.
Social media was intended to connect the world, give access to information, and expand opportunities. But we risk becoming products instead of people, shifting perspectives and changing perceptions. Influence instead of influencing.
Indeed, a double-edged sword that sharpens us as human, but also carries inherent risk. But what should be done to reclaim our independence?
Our advocacy, react, reflect, analyze, connect, and transform centers on how we, as the youth, can contribute to addressing this issue and breaking the cycle of social media abuse.
Reflect and read between the lines. Understand the implication of the content we consume. Separate facts from opinions. Discern biases and identify credible sources.
Analyze. Every information should be taken with vigilance. Analyze every detail to discern what's right or what's wrong.
Connect. Create an environment where we can freely share information and opinions to develop our critical thinking skills.
Transform. Social media is available to the public. Every post, comment, like, or share becomes open access. We right to express, but we should also right to uplift, inform, and expand our horizons.
Gimbal, pamati ang aman niya limot, kag itindiha ang ginahambal naman ng mga kabataan.
Kinahanglan natin magbugtaw sa kamatuoran, kag ipakigbato ang atol kahilwayan.
Kahilwayan sa aton kaugalingon nga ginakontrol, kag kahilwayan sa aton nga social media.
Tapuson ta ang siglo nga diyang kabuligan ng isa mag-isa. Gimbal, buksan ang mga mata, react to social